The dish I want to learn to cook by myself is Bún Chả. It's a famous Vietnamese noodle dish with grilled pork. It looks very delicious and smells so fragrant. To cook it, I know I will need pork, noodles, fresh herbs, and a special fish sauce.
I want to learn to cook it so I can make it for my family and friends.
And they will be very happy. I think it's a bit challenging, but very rewarding.
I want to learn how to cook fried rice. Rice.
It is a simple and popular rice dish.
To make it, you need cooked rice, eggs, vegetables like carrots, and some soy sauce.
First, you fry the vegetables. Then, you add the rice and eggs.
Finally, you mix everything well. It tastes savory and fresh. It tastes savory and fresh. I want to learn to cook it so I can make a quick meal for myself or my family. I think it will be easy to learn, and I will feel happy when I cook it well. Seriously, this is the best fried rice I've ever made. The sauce is perfect.
I know, right? We have to make this again next week.